If you're waiting for an apology to heal, you've handed your peace to the person who hurt you. Because an apology feels like closure, but most people never give it. And when they don't, you stay stuck in the same moment for months. Stoicism breaks the trap with one brutal truth. You don't need their words to move forward. You need your decision. Because waiting is still attachment. And an attachment makes you replay the scene like a loop. So today he cut the loop cleanly, without turning cold. First, understand why you crave an apology. You crave it because you want reality to admit it was unfair. You want them to confirm you didn't deserve that. You want your pain to be acknowledged, so it feels valid. But here's the Stoic punch. Your pain is valid even if they stay silent. Silence doesn't erase what happened. It just reveals their character. And Stoicism doesn't chase character from people who don't have it. Now, the hidden trap. You think an apology will give you peace. But peace is not something they deliver. Peace is something you build. So Stoicism asks, what can you control today? You can control your story about what happened. You can control your boundaries going forward. You can control where you invest your attention next. And that's enough to recover your power. Now let's make it practical with a Stoic 3-step reset. Step 1. Name the truth out loud in your head. They may never apologize. This sentence hurts, but it frees you from waiting. Waiting keeps your nervous system on standby. Freedom means you step out of standby and back into life. Step 2. Extract the lesson without bitterness. Bitterness says, the world owes me. Stoicism says, the world is the world. I adapt. Ask, what did this reveal about them? Ask, what did this reveal about me? Ask, what standard must be stronger next time? Lessons turn pain into direction. Step 3. Close the file. Without closure from them. Closing the file means you stop revisiting the scene for new meaning. Because you can't find new peace in old arguments. Now, the hard question. What if they did you wrong on purpose? Stoicism doesn't deny it. It refuses to let it define you. Because being defined by it is giving them a permanent room in your mind. So you evict the thought, gently, by returning to the present. Present moment is where your power lives. Now, let's talk relationships, because the apology trap is everywhere. Some people apologize to end your feelings, not to change their behavior. So the Stoic metric is not apology, it's adjustment. Do they act differently after the moment passes? If not, the apology is just sound. Stoicism listens to behavior, because behavior costs effort. Words are cheap when character is weak. Now, what if you're the one who made the mistake? Then Stoicism is simple. You apologize once, you correct it, and you don't grovel. Groveling is still ego, trying to control how you're seen. Correction is character, doing the work regardless of applause. That's the Stoic difference. Ego seeks approval. Character seeks alignment. Now, here's the strongest Stoic sentence you can say to yourself when you want their apology. I can validate myself. Validation means you stop putting your heart on trial. You tell yourself the truth, what happened mattered, and you'll protect yourself now. Protection is boundaries, not revenge. Boundaries are the adult version of self-respect. Now, your daily practice, when you catch yourself waiting, switch to building. Build your body, your routine, your finances, your skills, your friendships. Building is the only response that never embarrasses you later. Because even if they never apologize, you still win. You didn't stay stuck. And if they do apologize one day, it won't control you. It will just be information. That's Stoic freedom. If you want a thumbnail phrase for this video, it's "Stop waiting." Now I'm curious. Do you think apologies matter more than changed behavior, or is changed behavior the only real apology? Drop your take below.